Hello and welcome to a new video where I'm gonna show you guys how to go viral and earn money online using just basic and free videos. So, I'm sure that all of us have heard before about YouTube Shorts from YouTube. It's similar to TikTok and Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels. So, those kind of videos are from 10 seconds to 1 minute long. In this type of videos that I'm gonna show you, you're not gonna need to show your face or you're not gonna need to use your voice. So when I go to YouTube and type relationship facts shorts, for example, let me refresh the page first. So as you see here, when I type relationship facts videos, there is tons and tons and tons of videos. Those videos are kind of viral because, as you see here, this one have 35,000 views, sorry, and this one have 368,000 views, and this one have 77,8 views, and there is a lot and a lot of videos. So when I click on this video, for example, as you see here, it's a simple video that has a background, a blue background, sorry, some writings, relationship facts, fight for her and show her that you want her in this relationship, and those crazy things. So, the question here, you may ask yourself that you are a random guy who's posting simple and basic videos on YouTube Shorts and how you can earn money from it. And let me tell you guys that YouTube is desperate for your videos. Why? For a normal user that has an average of 1 hour using YouTube every day, to watch shorts for 1 hour you need for 240 videos. So YouTube needs a huge videos in its database. So YouTube we're not gonna review your videos, we're not gonna delete your videos. It's the opposite, completely the opposite. It will support you, it will encourage you to upload new videos and help you to go viral. So the next question, how I'm gonna get those videos? It's kind of easy. You're just gonna go to canva.com. Let me refresh the page first. So so this is Canva. We're gonna click on video, and here we're gonna choose mobile video. For mobile videos you need for a pro plan, which is like maybe $20 or something like that. But the cool thing about Canva that it gives you 30 days of trial. So you're gonna use it as much as you like, you're gonna upload the videos, then when you earn money you're gonna pay. So it's simple. Here, as you see, we have a page, we have here photos and videos that we will use to create our new videos. For example, when you need to create a video like that, you're gonna just go to elements. You're gonna look for example, like ocean. I've already searched for it. We're gonna select videos. We're gonna choose this one because I kinda like it. We're gonna make it look like a mobile video. Here, after we have added this background, we're gonna add some text like relationship facts. Alright, I'm gonna choose this one, add heading. We're gonna type relationship fact, and we're gonna drag it to here. We're gonna change the color to white, and we're gonna add a black background. The color of it's a black. Transparency, we're gonna make it here. I think 62 is good. Now we're gonna add some other texts. For example, you need to care for her, and all of this crazy stuff, and just make your own video and be origin. So when you complete your video, you're gonna customize it as much as you like from the Canva, because Canva is kind of good for this stuff. It makes you a great videos. It has also a great photos, great graphics. All you need, you don't need to show your face, or you don't need to use your voice. So create a video like that, like those videos in here. Then you need to post it to shorts, and that's it, guys. And that's the way. When you complete your video, so you're gonna click on share. There you're gonna scroll down, click on download, then choose choose MP cut, then click on download. That's it, guys. This was today's video.